back when police radios were far from high-tech. With just one channel and lots of static, officers started using brevity codes, short, punchy phrases to cut through the noise. Today, officers have plenty of radio channels, but some still use these codes. They make communication quick and somewhat secretive. Over the years, officers have developed a unique language full of specific phrases, acronyms, and slang that only law enforcement folks understand. The alphabet of police jargon. A. ATL. Attempt to locate a directive to find a missing or wanted person. B. BOLO. Be on the lookout. An alert for officers to find a person or property. C. Christmas time. To activate the patrol vehicle's overhead lights. D. DUI. Driving under the influence. Operating a vehicle while impaired by alcohol or drugs. E. EDP. Emotionally disturbed person. Someone in a mental health crisis. F. FI. Field interview card. Filled out when an officer interviews someone in the field. G. GOA. Gone on arrival. When the suspect is no longer at the scene. H. Hit skip. Hit and run accident, where the person responsible for the accident leaves the scene without making a report or rendering aid to victims. I. Implied consent. The legal doctrine that drivers consent to sobriety tests for driving privileges. J. JDLR. Just don't look right. An expression used by police officers while viewing a suspicious circumstance on a hunch. K. K9. A trained dog used in law enforcement. L. Leg bail. To run from police on foot to avoid arrest. M. Miranda refers to the rights read to suspects upon arrest from Miranda versus Arizona. Its name comes from the landmark 1966 Supreme Court case, Miranda versus Arizona. O. OIS, officer-involved shooting, when an officer discharges their firearm. P. PC, probable cause, the legal standard for arrests or searches. Q. San Quentin State Prison, a well-known California prison. R. RP, reporting person, the individual reporting an incident to the police. S. SO, Sheriff's Office, the law enforcement agency headed by a sheriff. T. Terry stop, a brief detention for questioning based on reasonable suspicion, named for the 1968 U.S. Supreme Court decision in Terry versus Ohio. UTL, unable to locate, when officers can't find a person or item. V. VICAP, Violent Criminal Apprehension Program, an FBI database for tracking violent crimes. W. Wagon, prisoner transport van, a vehicle for transporting multiple detainees.